Introducing the Weller Soldering Education Kit, a comprehensive 8-piece set perfect for beginners, sold by Amazon.com. This kit features a high-performance 70-watt soldering iron designed for easy handling. Enjoy precise temperature control with stability and a temperature lock feature. Included is a low-profile shear cutter, ideal for flush cutting soft wire up to 20 AWG. Also, the kit comes with a spool of lead-free solder wire, ensuring safe and effective soldering. 2 genuine Weller ET soldering tips are included, tailored for various soldering needs. Perfect for educational environments or hobbyists looking to enhance their soldering skills. Rated 4.7 stars with over 4,000 ratings. Order today for around $160. Check out the links in the description below for more details and to get your own Weller soldering kit today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notifications for our latest reviews and tutorials. Happy soldering!